Welcome to Cooking Coach Rob. We got Shannon here, and she's gonna. It's role reversal night. I'm going to be on the camera. And she's going to do most of the cooking, but I'll help out. And Shannon, why don't you tell our viewers what you're going to make tonight?
Tonight I'm going to make chili.
Do you want? Can you lower the basket so we can see what's in there? Yeah. So we got our ground beef, and we got our. What other ingredients are we using?
We're using tomato paste, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, beans, kidney beans, ground lean beef, and chili powder.
And we also got some ground
And we're going to have some onions chopped up too.
Yes, and we also in the fridge have some cheddar cheese that's been ready iced.
And we got some garlic spread to make garlic toast.
All right. So we'll be.
So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to cut the end off of this, put the meat into the pot, and cook the meat. Alright, so now we're going to turn on the burner to about 4 or 3. And we're going to put in the meat. What meat? I'm not very good at using this kind of meat.
That's okay.
But I try my best. Try my best at things. It'll all come out. It's almost like a tube of toothpaste.
Yeah.
You gotta get it all out. So you gotta squeeze it out. Sorry it's taking so long, people.
That's okay. While you're waiting for the meat to come out, why don't you guys hit the like and subscribe button?
Yeah, hit the like and subscribe button because we want more subscribers. Rob wants to get money.
No, we're not going to make money at this, but it's fun to get subscribers.
Yeah. Like getting subscribers.
And Shannon's going to do the Jared Bain shout out today. So who do you want to say hello to in TV land or in YouTube land?
In YouTube land?
Yeah.
I'd like to say hi to Noelle Lonsdale and Charlene Barney. And of course, I'd like to say a big thank you to Rob for going down and hanging out with Charlie last night.
Thank you. And Charlie's Shannon's cat that we saw in a previous episode on the photograph.
This is not coming out. Yeah, I'm breaking up the meat because it helps to cook it. And once it's brown, Rob's going to temp it for me when it gets all brown. It has to cook to the right temperature. Of course, you can't have raw meat in Canada.
Yeah, it's sliding off the burner.
Oh, sorry.
Right off the burner. It's okay. No worries.
Sorry about that.
At Shannon's condo, she's got a stove that has the older style burners that I actually prefer. But when I bought this condo, it came with the burners like this. As you see, Shannon's on the stove there. I'm going to sneak into the picture too and do my onion chopping. This is this very small kitchen as you've seen before on the other episodes. So it's hard to it's hard to get a good angle of everything. We'll just check on Shannon here first before we do mine. Seeing it's coming good, eh?
Yeah. Oh, jeez. I wasn't expecting that.
Our turkey thing. No, all kidding aside here, you guys, what I've done now is you see over here I put a cloth underneath the cutting board. I know people are probably saying, why don't you use the cutting board that's already built in, right? Well, I didn't put this in. I'm not sure how it's been used in the past, even though I've cleaned it up like quite a bit. I just prefer using my own cutting board. So we got this here. We're going to wash it first, of course.
Well, I found the green cutting board that you gave me.
Oh.
You gave me the colored one when you moved out of the Robert's
Oh, all of
chicken.
them or what?
Just the green one.
How big is it?
It's a big one.
Do you ever use it?
Yeah.
You use it? Oh, that's good you use it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because I requested from Santa a cutting board. Right? He might bring me a cutting board at Christmas, remember?
Right.
Remember, that's right.
So Santa might bring you one.
Yeah, no, that's a good one,
Or
like.
Charlie might get you one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah. So we're gonna... This here. As you've seen in other episodes, we've used the little mini chopper thing for this, or the processor thing. We're not using that today because we don't want it as fine. Right, and we got our organics bucket here, right? I showed you that before in other episodes. And I always keep that in the top right corner of the freezer. The reason for that is it's fairly warm. We're on the top floor. I'm in the top floor of the apartment. For Shannon, she's on the ground floor, so
Yep.
hot air rises up, right? So we're going to continue on here. We're going to now, Shannon, how do you want this? Just like we do it for the liver, like, or
well, diced, not big
diced.
ones.
what?
Not big ones like we do for the liver, but
Okay,
diced.
but diced,
Yeah.
but not as diced as we do for our
No.
other thing.
Yeah.
Oh, sort of like we used to do at the Bay, like when we did our burgers and stuff. Carney.
People, I'm still cooking my meat. It's getting brown. I'm breaking it up so there's no pink pieces.
Remember, feel free to comment on our techniques, but please be nice. If it's a really rude or nasty comment, we'll probably have to delete that. But most people that have commented so far have been super nice. Like, and remember to share the video with any of your friends that you want to.
Yes, please share the
Help
videos.
Remember, we got the Island Thrift Store videos too, and there's an unboxing of a DVD player I got a couple of years ago. It surprisingly has got over 11,000 views. Like,
Wow.
and that's. So as we continue along here, we'll be right back when we have all this chopped up. Thanks. Okay, Shannon's going to put the onions in now.
So we cook the onions and the meat, and we have to cook the onions until they're soft with the meat.
Okay, we don't cook them separately, eh?
Nope.
You put them in together.
Yeah. You put it all in together, and you stir it, and you let the onions get soft. And then after that, we'll take a break, and then we'll add one can at a time.
As you can see, we got all our cans here, and Shannon's going to go through and put them in one by one. Show us the can on the label side. Okay, we got the Heinz beans, and they're going to go in the...
They're going to go in the pot with the onions and meat. And make sure you don't waste any.
Yeah.
Yep, that's good.
Okay, Shannon's stirring the beans in now.
I'm stirring the beans in.
Oh, that's looking good, eh, Shannon?
Yeah, it's going to be
And
good.
we've got some more stuff to put in.
Yeah. Now I'll get the can of kidney beans.
You guys see that? Show the beans, the kidney beans. And Shannon's going to put them in the deep fryer. Not the deep fryer.
Not the deep fryer.
Yeah,
No, we don't
no.
put beans in the deep fryer.
No, Charlie.
No. Unless you want deep fried beans.
No.
And we gotta again make sure that you don't miss any. And then I'll stir it around again. That looks good. Put that back. Okay, so I stirred in the beans and the kidney beans. Now I'm gonna add in the tomato sauce.
Okay, we're putting the tomato sauce in now.
And it just pours in easily.
Yeah. She's got it all in there. She's going to
Yep.
put it over there.
So I'm stirring in the tomato sauce with the can of beans and the kidney beans. After that's stirred in, I'll get my diced tomatoes. Okay.
Okay, we got our diced tomatoes and they're going to go in now.
Yep.
Almost in a bigger pot.
Almost. But not quite. That's good. And then we're always got to get up into this high position.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the diced tomatoes are in there. Stir them up. And then to give it a little bit of thickness, we add tomato paste.
And now Shannon's going to put the tomato paste in and we'll show you what that looks like. See, it's right there, see? And you can see Shannon's getting the
Tomato paste in.
and all this was the great value stuff from Walmart in Victoria. But most major cities have a Walmart now. It'll be good.
It's hard to get tomato paste out because it sticks to the side of the can.
Yeah.
I'm doing the best that I can. Been a while since I made chili, so.
The first time on camera too, making any
First
food.
time on camera.
Making us
food.
being the lead cook.
Yeah.
But it's good though, it's fun.
Yeah, I find it fun. And there's a bit more that I can get. And I think that'll be it. And then I gotta stir this up. As you can see, I got the tomato paste in there and it's thickening up nice. And then I'm gonna add chili powder soon. And then what you do is after you add the chili powder, you let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I didn't know that, so that's good.
Yeah.
You learn something every day.
Yeah. Rob's learning something every day.
Yeah.
Pretty soon he'll be able to make a pot of chili for himself.
Sure.
So I have the chili powder, if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. Sorry, folks. Didn't mean to do that.
Can we see the chili powder first?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
And this brand is from Walmart again. It's the
Sorry, my hands are shaking.
what's El Paso chili powder.
Sorry, I got
Okay,
shaky hands.
that's okay.
So when we add the chili powder, you don't need it all. You just add maybe about that much. And you stir it in. Make sure it all gets stirred in. That's smelling good, people. Too bad you didn't have smell-o-vision.
Yeah. So I always said that'd be the next big thing in the entertainment world. You'd be able to smell the scene. Like I've always imagined, like watching a movie when they're running through a rainforest. You'd be able to smell the. You'd be able to smell the rain.
And then you let it simmer on low.
Smell.
You let it simmer on low for 15 minutes.
Okay, like Shannon mentioned, you got to let it simmer down or simmer on low, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you're an LA Kings fan, you may recall Charlie Simmer, but this is two different things. That's a hockey player. This is a cooking technique.
Yeah.
So we'll be back soon, and we'll show you it all plated up with the cheese that we have for it as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, the garlic bread. We got to do that too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hang on a sec. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Okay. One step we can do while we're waiting our 15 minutes is we got to finish up washing our cans. I got those ones washed out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the biggest can that we've already washed out, right? And we're going to put the smaller lids in the bottom, right? See, we got our smaller lids going in the bottom. Be careful, they're sharp. And the lid that was originally on the top, we're going to put in here like this. We're going to put and push it down to the bottom. So now that's down to the bottom, right? We're going with our strength, we're going to squeeze that can. Right, so now the lids can't get out, right? So it's safe when it goes into recycling. And these ones, if you sort of combine like that, well, you sort of get the idea, right?
Yeah.
Well, you guys get the idea of what we're trying to accomplish there.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. We'll be back soon. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to make some garlic toast, and I didn't even know this product existed until I was at a Hudson's Bay alumni lunch yesterday at the Jasmine's, right up in the Old Island Highway. And one of the former staff members that I worked with, we got talking to her, and she says they get this all the time at Walmart. So me and Shannon went to look for it. I thought we'd be looking all day for it. Anyway, Shannon found it right away. Right, so that we're going to try it out. And we're going to make our garlic bread in the toaster here, obviously, like. And we got our you can tell we like Walmart. We got our great value Me and Shannon both shop at Walmart a lot for her kitchen at her place and for my kitchen here. So how many pieces do you want, Shannon, of the garlic?
2.
We're going to do 2 pieces each. So obviously the toaster's on now, right? And we'll get our other 2 pieces here. And once those are toasted up, we'll move to the other side of the coachrob.com kitchen or Coachrob kitchen, and we'll put the garlic spread on. Okay, I've just put the second bit of toast on, and we're going to go to this side of the kitchen and we're going to use our spread here. We're actually not going to use this knife. We're going to put it back. And when I worked at the downtown Bay in the restaurant there, we always used these, and we had so many of them. The boss at the time was gonna chuck them out. So I said, do you mind if I take 1 or 2 home? I said, that's totally fine. So we got our nice garlic spread here. We'll put it on the toast. And does that look like enough for you, Shannon, on that one? Is that good?
Yep.
Or just put more? Okay. I'm going to slide that guy up there. Right. Oops. And the beauty of these ones is why these in the restaurant too, it's kind of serrated, right? So you can just do it. Now when we were cooking all the breakfasts there, when we'd have like 4 or 5 orders on it, once you would actually cook it, you would cut it together. And one trick that the boss at the time showed me, right, is you got the garlic butter like this, right? When you put it on the plate, put it like that so the 2 garlic butters are touching each other. That way you don't get garlic butter on the hand, so when the customer comes to eat it, they can just pick it up and there's no garlic butter underneath. So that's why it's presented like that. So we've got this other toast done. We don't need to see me buttering this one, but so we'll be right back in a sec. Okay, we got Chef Shannon here, and she's gonna...
I'm gonna plate up Rob's because he's on the camera, so
yeah,
whoever's on the camera gets their chili first. We're gonna add cheese on this. I think that'll be good for Rob.
That's good to start with. We can always have more. There's a huge pot of chili there.
Yeah, there's a huge
And what
pot.
we're gonna do now is Shannon's gonna get hers all plated up.
Yep.
Then we'll show you what it's like with the cheese on.
Yeah.
Okay, Shannon's just topping hers up with the cheese. Looks fantastic.
Cheese is hard to get out of the
Yeah.
package. So this is our finished product. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna enjoy our meal, watch the Vancouver Canucks play
Ottawa Senators
Ottawa
in
Senators.
Vancouver.
And Rob will be in the studio later. Thank you and have a great day.
Hi, okay, we're here to wrap it up for the episode that we filmed on December 3rd, 2019. Shannon made her famous chili. Chili was fantastic. And the Vancouver Canucks did defeat the Ottawa Senators tonight on the night when they put Alex Burrows in the Ring of Honor. So we'd like to thank Shannon Hollingworth again so much for making her fantastic chili. We had so much left over. We have enough for another meal. And we urge you to like and subscribe. I do have a brand new Facebook page for this channel. It's called Cooking with Coachrob. I hope you find it. You can like the videos there and comment. We probably won't post all the videos there, but if you go into the section on the Facebook page, Cooking with Coachrob, under the About Me section, just above the area where it gives the email, you can click on that and it will take you right to the right to the YouTube page where it has all the videos and in chronological order. I'm going to be adding a couple more videos there that's not on that playlist. We might be some changes there, but other than that, thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to pass any of the videos I make on to your friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day.